Have you ever taken a picture and thought to yourself, I wish I was wearing a jacket or a hoodie or anything else? Well, get ready because I'll show you an interesting tool that allowed you to change your clothes using AI. But first, like and subscribe and tell me what you want to see next in the comments. Well, what you need to do after subscribing, of course, is to go to Fotor. This link is gonna be in the description, and then change clothes with AI for free. Upload your picture. Well, that wasn't planned. My phone just fell, but I hope you can still see me now. Choose any picture. Let's choose this one looks cool. And as you can see, I look pretty disappointed. Just highlight the clothes that you are already wearing. And don't worry, you don't have to be very accurate. As you can see, I'm highlighting my finger and it doesn't matter. So as you can see, we're done highlighting. Let's do this part and then type what you wish to see. I'm gonna go with pirate themed clothes. Let's remove the S. Just wait a little bit, let it do its magic, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be impressed. So as you can see, it looks pretty funny to me. I don't know why. It gave me apps, and it's honestly amazing, just impressive. It's awesome. You have multiple choices. Like if you didn't like the first one, I think all of them are funnily good. Funnily good. Wow. I want to try to give myself a pirate hat. You can go back to AI replace and highlight whatever we want. I'm going to give myself, for example, a pirate hat. This was not the pirate hat I had in mind. Also, you can still see some of my hair, which is not very impressive. But yeah, maybe I wasn't specific enough. Something about this thing is that you have to be specific in your command or whatever it's called. Let's choose another photo. Let's go with this one. I really like this one. And let's start highlighting our clothes. I just realized this is the hoodie I'm wearing right now. So what should we tell it to do? Since I'm selling you something, I don't know what salesmen wear, but let's see what he thinks. The AI. Oh, so this is what it thinks a salesman wears. I mean, I'm gonna type it here. They wear formal. I mean, this one looks epic in my opinion. I don't know about you. I wanna try one last thing, and I wanna tell it make me wear formal because I think it can match with the theme of the thumbnail. No! Damn it! Let's go to another browser. Tech tip. Age. Let's finally give it the command to make me wear for. God damn it! Why am I signed out from all of my accounts on Edge? Is this video will ever be done? I'm so mad right now. Just like the video. Damn it. So just to let you know that here at Safe Media Group, we're the only people who bring you the latest fashion trends. Have you ever seen a suit with a hood before? Yeah, exactly. You've never seen it. That's why you should like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I don't know why you watched. You're awesome, by the way. You're awesome.